squad, let's do 2 different variations of our Snakecharmer move. So first I'm going to do using our sliders. It's going to be most similar to what we do on the machine. We're going to start up on the palms, knees to the sliders, heels to the glutes. Walk the palms about 1 inch in front of the line of shoulders. Find your kneeling plank position, so tight core, tummy pulled in, glutes active. Now press through the palms. Slide your sliders back, so slide your plank back as you lower down to the forearms. Now press into one palm. You're gonna extend that arm, extend the other arm as you restack to your high plank. So lots of tricep work, lots of control in the core to do this. You can do one forearm down, then the other. Again, both forearms down as you slide back. Then alternate that lead arm each time if you're doing one arm at a time. Or for that extra challenge, can you do both forearms at the same time? Second version, we're gonna do without sliders. So second version is gonna be a similar setup to a saw. So we're gonna start on the forearms, knees down, and now we're just gonna press the body weight up and down from that extended plank position back down to the forearms. So spread the fingers wide, palms in front, press into that left palm. Keep your hips steady, lengthen that left arm, then lengthen the right, down to the right forearm, left forearm, alternate your lead palm. So again, I want you to alternate your lead palm. It's almost like up, downs a little bit. So you're just going up and down, but using the triceps to stabilize. Whew, feel that one fast.